What are we making, Penelope?
Cupcake.
What kind of cupcakes?
Love.
Cupcakes of love? Is the prize for Daddy?
I want for some too.
Yes. We're all gonna have some.
Yeah. So Mama can't eat them all.
No. We have to share them with each other, right?
Yeah. We'll cuddle up.
Mm-hmm.
A blankie together.
Cuddle up in a blankie together and eat cupcakes for Valentine's Day? That sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. You will cut me up a little rope.
Rope?
Yeah.
I don't think we need a rope. It's the blankie.
Yeah. Where's the milk?
It's all mixed in.